Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add subscribe button to the video in CapCut on PC or laptop. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open the CapCut application. So let's go ahead and do that. And once you do that, click on the import button. And once you do that, what you have to do is import the videos that you want to add the subscribe button video to. So let's go ahead and import our videos. So first I'm going to import a normal video and then select the subscribe video as well. So now let's drag these both to our timeline. So here you can see this is our subscribe to the channel video. Let's go ahead and put it above the video, and once you do that, what you have to do is let's go ahead and crop it. So once you crop it, you'll be able to add it to the video. Alright, so once you have adjusted this, what you have to do is go to the cutout section on the right hand side and then click on chroma key. So once you click on the chroma key, select the filter, which is the green color. So once you click on this green color, your video will be transparent and it will show up on the top of the video. So let's make the strength 100. You can adjust it according to your needs, and here you can see the subscribe for video is playing on the top of the video. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to add a subscribe button on the video in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.